Hi friends, this is Amulya Ashuja. Today I am going to show how to sharpen a pencil like an artist. Here it is, a specific way to sharpen a pencil like an artist. For this I am taking normal HB pencil and a blade. I am a right-handed, so I choose to hold blade in right hand and pencil on left hand. I am taking 1 inch length. Here is the technique. Pull your pencil backwards. Move your pencil backward. Do it slowly and carefully to avoid injury. Do it gently or it will break the tip of the pencil. Now the wood was removed. Now sharpening the lead part, you can use blade or sandpaper. I am doing this with my hand. If you are a beginner, you can turn your blade backside and you can do it like this to avoid any injury. You can also use a sandpaper. You can use fine grain sandpaper 80 to 120 grit. If you are a beginner, you can do it like this also by placing the pencil down. I always use my finger for sharpening the lead. If you sharpening a pencil first time like this, there is a high chance to break a pencil lead. So don't worry, just relax and try again. If you like this video, like and share. Subscribe my channel for more upcoming tutorials. Have a good day.